Hey everybody, it's Eric here from Secure Future Tech Solutions. I have a very serious security issue to discuss with all of you this week. Apple announced that they have a very serious security flaw in all of their Apple devices. That's right, it's your iPhone, your iPads, and then also Macs as well, including MacBooks and MacBook Pros. So this is something very serious that hackers can get full admin control of your device. So they can install malicious software, they can steal your data, and perhaps other information that's on your iPhone. So what I want all of you to do, this is very important. I want you to check to make sure you're running the latest iOS. So please go to Settings on your Apple device, and then General, and then there is an option for Software Update. The latest iOS version that you want to make sure you're running is 15.6.1. If you're running it, you're all set. If you're not, you have the ability to do the update right there, then and there on the spot. If you have any questions whatsoever or need help installing the latest version on any of your devices, please reach out to us at securefuturetech.com. We'll be happy to help, and you can book a meeting with me. My calendar link is on the homepage. Talk to you soon.